What's up, everybody? It is Friday, 7:06 p.m. coming at you live from New York. It's Space Donks, and yep, today we got hit with some news, more news with China saying that the cryptocurrency ban is going to basically be banned. You know, we've heard this before. So is it going to make it more attractive if they actually do straight up and down banned Bitcoin? Is that going to affect your decision on buying dips in cryptocurrency? There's like some points I want to make. Mad Extraordinaire indeed. What's going on? Reb Skater, how you doing? Love to be interactive here. Bradley, what's up? I'm here. I'm live. Alan Fernandez, Samantha Mitchell in the building. What's going on? How are you? Good evening. I wish you all a great weekend. I want to go over some things. By the way, I bought a little bit more Litecoin, because I don't know, I just got a feeling about it. But I just want to make some points here on going over some things here. I was reading around, you know, doing a little research today. I'm looking at all of this. So right now, articles are going to tell us what happened today. Basically, Bitcoin is taking a hit, which will cause an effect on other, of course, cryptocurrencies, giving it a little hit. But we've been floating here before. We've been around the same 42,000. So it's like, it's not like a major hit, okay? Bitcoin trading close at today, according to these articles. By the way, a couple weeks ago, Bitcoin, what was it, like 2 weeks ago, September 9th, it was like $50,000. Knowing that all the problems, sorry, 50K per share, 50,000 per share. But, you know, a lot of people have been floating. I've been seeing in comments in the section telling me that, hey, so-and-so thinks Bitcoin, you know, another YouTuber or something, which I don't really watch other financial YouTube channels, and that's for real. Some people were telling me that so-and-so says that Bitcoin's going to be 100K soon. Like, a lot of people are talking about that. Well, are they parroting articles? That's my question, which is fine, right? So Standard Charter predicts Bitcoin will hit 100K in 2021. If you're a Dogecoin holder or another cryptocurrency holder like myself, I have Doge the most, of course. You want to know these things because you want to know, and get an idea about what people are saying about where Bitcoin is going to be at. Because I think it's definitely going to reflect other cryptocurrencies, as it has proven to. So some people are calling for 100K in 2021 and early 2022. My prediction, I'm not spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I'm just trying to use like my gut feeling with common sense, because nobody can tell you about the future. You know, sometimes we get lucky, we make amazing predictions, including myself. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I make an amazing prediction and it comes true. And then there's like the real world stuff, real talk. I think personally we are gonna get through a phase here with cryptocurrency. That's what we're going through. And with the China stuff going on, we're going to inevitably figure out what's going to happen with crypto, and it's going to take a little time, even though the volatility is amazing and it works for us sometimes and against us. CRX Joe, welcome back to the channel. What's up, brother? I'm still here holding, even though a while since I've been here. It's been a while since you've been here. Too much going on for me. I understand, appreciate you, and I know exactly who you are. Thank you so much, and I hope your family is doing well. CRX Joe, hope everything's good. I was gone for a little bit, and everybody knows that was here regularly because I got locked out of my channel while it was overseas. Justin, what's going on? I'm still holding 200,000 Dogecoin, not selling diamond hands. That's amazing. Well, guys, check this out though. Let me get to my point, because I like to hear what the community is saying as well. Some people are just throwing numbers out there, and I'm looking at a lot of people probably read something like this on Yahoo and what this the Chartered predicts. Let me go through the article. Let me just get that off the screen, just so you could see that what people predict, so you could go back to the chart, because you guys probably like to see the charts as well. And let's get a little Dogecoin emoji up there. Why not, right? Because Dogecoin is amazing. Why isn't it showing? I don't know. Where's my Dogecoin NASA emoji? Where is it? I had it all set and it disappeared on me. Let me get that up real quick. Here we goes. I'll continue with this. I'll get back in the comments, but I just want to make some points opening this live stream where what I'm thinking. Remember, I'm your boy Space Donks. I'm a retail investor like you. I am not a professional. That's why I don't have it on repeat. So let me just get this repeated and then we can move on. I gotta loop this. Bam. So, guys, I just want to put this out there, what I'm thinking as an investor in cryptocurrency right now, and with Bitcoin, with Dogecoin, with Ethereum. I think this is going to present a buying opportunity. Would I love Bitcoin? Like a lot of people are saying, and let's read what they're saying. This is the latest. Well, not the latest. It was a couple weeks ago, but it's a big deal because it's a big prediction, and a lot of people are agreeing with this. Bitcoin is currently struggling, according to Yahoo, about 50K, and we're past that already. But a new report by cryptocurrency research team, it's a research team at British bank Standard Chartered, predicted that Bitcoin could hit 100K levels soon. I disagree. What does soon mean? The research team said Bitcoin's move to 100K could also trigger further price surges in Ether, which I agree with if this happens. At the moment, Ether, right now, it's trading differently than this. This was a couple weeks ago. But overall, I'm just making the point that from what I'm seeing, 100,000 would be amazing, right? Because Dogecoin would obviously go up, and it would be really great for the crypto season to just erupt and explode to the very next episode. But I am saying it's not going to all erode. I think we're going to be on a very good road, by the way. I think that it's going to take a little time here. I think we're still going to fluctuate from what I'm seeing. It's got to smash through resistance and stuff like that. But I think the China, the ban, if they ban, from what I understand, they didn't really totally like ban it. They're talking about it. So I think people are going to maybe get more attracted to the low prices, and it could create a lot of unique situations. I also think that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency overall is not going anywhere, whether China does what it does or not. It's not going anywhere. When I mean not going anywhere, it's sticking around. I think it's in its infancy stages, as we always talk about. I think that we still have a lot of amazing opportunity. I think that as a community, if we stick with unity, I think it's going to go back up. And I am waiting for 100,000 maybe sometime in 2022. Soon, I don't think soon, because I think there's still an uncertainty going on, a natural uncertainty with cryptocurrency and the overall market right now. We're in just a strange time, coming off the heels of the Black Swan event from March 2020, and we're trying to still figure things out. What's going on? What's popping? Stonks, Ohio in the building. Stay classy. What's going on, Metal Gear? Howdy from Texas in the building. This is actually Silvercrawler holding 153K. You changed your name. Metal Gear, I see that. You still got the wrench. That's what's up. That's awesome. It's all a matter of time. The president can't keep printing money, real world stuff. Yeah, I'm still holding 200,000 Dogecoin, not selling. Okay, I read that. So yeah, guys, I think overall this is going to be a really good thing. I'm still up on all my investments. I'm doing really well, which I'm happy about. And I think that, it's just going to take some time for us to grow, whereas it's not going to happen overnight. Are there going to be opportunities like when Dogecoin shot to the moon seemingly overnight? And I was saying when it didn't really, because it kind of took from 2013 to 2021 January for Dogecoin to really start moving and get worldwide attention and global attention, and people start talking about it. So, all of these factors combined, I feel really comfortable in my cryptocurrency investments. When it goes back down, like I said, I averaged up earlier on in the week. It was Monday and Tuesday, I believe. I got more Dogecoin. I spent more money on it. I invested more in it. And I believe that we're going to be in a good place for the future. It's crazy, right? I don't know. So I'm just, like I said, I'm a retail investor. I've made some good moves. As you know, if you watch the channel, I say get into AMC. I'm in it. And I was at $22. That was back in June. I got it. And I'm doing really well. It's up every day on that. I haven't sold any AMC. I've touted support.com, which did a merger, and I saw a quick play in that. It blew up in a really good way, and I sold it all before it went down and it merged. So I did a swing trade on that. So there's just a lot of opportunities out there. You just gotta feel them out. But long term, I'm holding on to my cryptocurrency. Like when I was in Bitcoin, like a new position in early summer, and when it went down to 28,000, I didn't panic. I still held my Bitcoin. So I'm not stressing it. I'm not worrying about it. Hey guys, if you give me some likes, get this up in the algorithm. For some reason, this channel it blew up really quick and it just slowed up. I think there's a lot of factors why, but I don't care. I'm not in this really for that anyway. I just want to come on here, chill, talk stocks, talk crypto, and just, have a really good time. That's what this is about. But it's always nice, if I'm doing this, why not get more viewers and stuff popping like that and build a community and keep going forward with it. Do you think Doge is going to $1? Yeah, I absolutely do. But that when is the question. I don't know when. It's going to be a lot of things combined that have to get Doge to $1, and that includes Bitcoin moving up and doing really well. Feels like you are back in March again. Alan Fernandez, yeah, totally. But that's fine, I'm not on here for any type of attention. So yeah, let's see what else is going on. I'm really pumped up. I got Litecoin. I got some more Litcoin. I always say Lite. I got more Litcoin. I think there's a real good opportunity with that. I think the usage is positive with that. I think that it can be utilized in the future as well, and it can be talked about as well with the other big cryptocurrencies that are well known. I think there's a lot of potential for that. Alan Chi-Town, what's up? Can't stay. Just stop by to say hi. Thank you. You're just stopping by to say hi, and you bless me with $4.99. Thank you, Al and Chi-Town. What a way to say hello. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. Alan Chi-Town representing with another super chat. Always. Hope you have a great weekend, Al. Al knows what's up. Al's a really savvy investor as well, and I would be more likely to think Al is not going to panic because people saying China's going to ban, or the whatever news is coming out of China about banning crypto, Bitcoin specifically. Let's look at the chart here. I got something. So if you look here, you can see what Bitcoin's doing. 50-day moving average. It's not looking bad at all. This is not like a big bad thing if they're going to make it illegal, if they're going to make Bitcoin illegal, right? Back when Tesla and that whole perfect storm came, Tesla dropped Bitcoin, suspended it. Let me just rephrase that. And then China, the news came out, and it was late spring, I believe, and it all went down. Doge went down with it. Now that's not happening so much. It's taken a little hit today, but not really much that it wasn't doing before. So is it ultimately going to play out? We've heard this before. I'm looking, I think BTC is in a good spot regardless. Is there an overreaction? Are people going to panic? Are people going to get rid of it? If they do, I say if it goes down more, if it gets into the 20s again, huge opportunity to get in on it. Dogecoin, anytime it's in the teens, in my humble opinion, big deal. Big opportunity. What's up, Felipe? What's going on? I love LTC. Very low transaction fees. Damien S. Yes, took the words right out of my mouth. Big opportunity. LTC's cheap. I was talking about it with a friend. He bought it because I said, I can't tell you what to do. But he asked, when you're private with your friend at a Starbucks, I said, I can't tell you what to do, but you should buy it. And he bought it. And he says, hey, I'm up today. He texted me like 3 days ago that he's up in LTC. So, yeah. Massive opportunities, guys. Happy Friday at Alan says to Alan Chi-Town. This is a perfect time to stock up. Yeah, perfect time to stock up. Hey, if I get 30 likes, that would be great. Yeah, so I just think that for now, there's going to be some pullback on the news, but then it's going to go back up, right? Okay, Ether is $2,800 roughly, 29. Let me look at the latest Ether right now. I'm just curious to see what it's doing at the moment. Earlier on, it was this, what I just said. Yeah, it's $2,900. I believe it's going to get to 4 and beyond. Depends what you want to do. But digital assets, they're very popular, guys. I think there's a lot of opportunity with other coins as well. I haven't changed anything. And like I said before earlier, I'm not listening to the Chinese banks. I'm looking at what people are doing and people are talking about. A lot of people are talking about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and they're very excited about cryptocurrency. A lot of people want to get rich fast, and let's just be real about it. They really think that cryptocurrency, and I believe it too, is a way to get rich fast. If you are invested, it's faster than stocks. The volatility, for sure, it drops faster. You must know that, when you do your research on it. But look, where else can I make a return? Like when Dogecoin shot up, where else in a few months can I make over 50 grand, 60 grand so fast? Cryptocurrency. It happened. Alan Chi-Town at Space Stonks and beyond, because I have it more than one portfolio. I didn't even share another one publicly. Actually, two of them. No, my one Dogecoin I didn't show public. I had two I showed. Okay, Alan Chi-Town at Space Stonks. After you almost made me say that. You gotta watch what you say on these things, because the algorithm says if it doesn't read context really. And if I say one wrong thing, that could be goodbye, or the stream could just go down or whatever. You know what's up. I gotta self-editorialize myself constantly when you're live streaming, constantly. Because if I say the word "be up" too much, you know what that can mean. The algorithm and the machine doesn't catch the words with context. So it can hear, you know what I'm saying. I don't want to say too many times. Be up means, you know what, it might be reading something else. I mean, you do really well. It's slang, right? Or do really well, So you kind of really gotta watch what you say in live streams. I know across the board many YouTubers that had live streams shut down or flagged because of things, false flags by accident with the algorithm. It happens. So far, that hasn't happened to me in a live stream. I've been doing well with that. I'm kind of trained because, truth be told, I had my own FM radio station when I was basically a kid. Did I say I'm my own show? Sorry. It was sports, so I already knew how to control myself in front of a live audience, because I did it when I was very young across New York airwaves, okay? Like for real radio. So I was like disciplined in the fine art of watching what the heck I say live. It's kind of embedded in me. I'm trying to transfer my USDC. Okay. Well, Robinhood wallets are coming, guys. I think that's going to be a big thing. Mad Extraordinaire says, like being married. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Space Stonks. So, look. I think Bitcoin's definitely going to revisit 50 and beyond, obviously. Because why else would I be invested in it? If you ask me, do I believe Dogecoin, because people still ask me that it's going to be over $1 one day, heck yeah, without a doubt. I wouldn't be so heavily invested in Dogecoin. Do I panic? No, I don't panic when things go down. What would make me panic was if we woke up one day and there's another awful black swan event, and then I see Bitcoin at $3,000 per coin. That would be like, okay, let's wrap this up right now, like on its way to doing that. Let's make decisions. But we're not in that situation. That's like just a huge, probably not going to happen, thankfully, type of a situation that's going to present itself. So, you watch the news, you watch what goes on, and you can see the trends, and then you'll know what to do. Personally speaking, I've always done well when I've held diamond hands long with my shares in stocks. So, of course, Bitcoin, Litecoin, of course, cryptocurrency is a different beast. It's the different animal, and it's not stocks. So they behave differently, for sure. Hey, if you could share this stream, that would be awesome. It's Friday night. People are going out. It's really nice anyway here on the East Coast in New York. It's 7:24 p.m. my time. And what are you going to do? Are you invested in Bitcoin? Are you in Dogecoin? Dogecoin is only 20 stinking cents. I always go over this time and time again. The next time it goes into, and it stays there long enough, it was at early in the morning today during the AM hours, it hit 19 cents, right? It's been going back and forth because, of course, Bitcoin is doing what it does. When Bitcoin is hovering at these levels, Dogecoin is basically doing the same thing. It's going from 18 to 21, 22 cents, naturally. West Coast, what's going on? West Coast is beautiful. Definitely. Palm trees all the way. Alice in Chi-Town says, don't sweat it. It's time to load up. HODL. Stop listening to all the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And I'm out. Peace. Yo, Stonks. Come back later. I don't know. I can't, honestly, truth be told, I have to go out and drive and pick someone up at 10 8:30 p.m. my time. But hey, let's not count it out. I want to do weekend live streams, so Saturday's looking good, or if not Sunday, I'm definitely going to be doing my thing. I got you guys listening, so I will be here for sure. If I have 0 views, current viewer at once, and nobody's in here, then I'm just gonna not do live streams. I will say that. But there's some people here. I know how to go about getting more viewers live if I want to, but I don't want to be someone I'm not and make these tactics that are going to generate more views, because I'm not in it for that really on live streams. I'm going to just do what I do here. But that being said, I want to do what I like to do. Like if a live stream in the street, stuff like that, that's fun. But I'm not, I'm not going to title things, fake titles, massive fake titles just to get people in to hear me talk about my portfolios and stocks and stuff. I'm not going to do that really on live streams. Nah, bro, don't be a sellout. Nah, never. Right? Can you imagine that? I was doing what I'm doing right now, and we had 1,600 plus people in the room. So I know that works. Just doing what I do, having a good time, having a good time talking about stocks and crypto. That's what it's all about, having a good time. I'm all about a good time. So I just want to get the clearance to appear on camera on this channel. Once I get that clearance, once in a while I'll come on live and you'll see my big head maybe, and I'll have a good time, even more good time, right? We'll have a better time because it'll be more interactive for some of you rather than just have a voice going, right? Kansas City in the building, Blood 6K. This is all about having a good time. That's why the Dogecoin community is awesome, first of all, because if you look at the real Dogecoin community, like straight up, why it was started, it's all about having a good time and chilling, okay? I'm all down for that. That's what I'm about, all right? Having a good time and holding my Dogecoin. That's number one. From Kansas City, okay, congratulations, Tuan. That's great. Welcome. If you're in a community here, that's great. Log in me, thumb up. What's going on, baby? Yeah. RW, what's going on? Space Donks, don't let the China F you bother us. I'm not. Bought more Ethereum, Solana, good stuff, and Doge. We recovered nicely. Great seeing you on here. Likewise, baby. Hey, that's all good. That's all good. What else did I have to talk about here? I had something else. Sorry, I'm pausing. I got off the other night. We having a really good live stream, and my voice was kind of going towards the end of it early. It usually lasts longer. I guess I didn't get so used to. I was doing so many live streams for so long, I built up my voice even more. But I felt my voice, I wanted to save it for some future live streams like we're doing right here now. I was planning to come back yesterday with a live stream, but I didn't. So, yeah, that's what's up with that. So, so overall, I think that there's going to be massive opportunities, like you always say, there always is in the stock market. So what I like to do is I'd like to take a negative into a positive. So when you see the S&P 500 down and Bitcoin and all the other crypto down, I see that as opportunities presenting themselves. You just got to find the right stonk, and you have to find the right cryptocurrency to get into at the right time. I believe overall, right now, it's the right time, guys. It's an amazing time, really. I believe, my personal opinion, to believe in this. Hey, I got a sticker. Nathan Sayers, what's going on? Thank you for the Canadian cash, baby. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. With the Shiba Inu, Haya, hope you and your significant other have an amazing weekend. Thank you very much, guys. Hey, I got $14.14 in Super Chats. Thank you so much, guys. That could almost pay for my next fast food meal that I plan on having with the wife. So I thank you guys. We're going to treat ourselves. We don't do it every day with fast food, and that's what I'm going to do with that. I already invested in a channel with you guys with all of your Super Chats. What am I saying? When I first started the channel, I bought a new computer. I just got to get a new mic next, and I really thank you guys for the support. Viewer supported channel, no doubt about it. So yeah, I really appreciate that, guys. It does make things easier, absolutely. Having you guys help me out with super chats and stuff like that, helping your creators out there, whoever you're watching. It really does help them, absolutely. It's amazing, and thank you for your generosity. But guys, AMC, I got Dogecoin, I got Litecoin, I got Ethereum. There's other crypto I'm interested in that some of them I can't get in New York. I'm a New York resident, so I can't buy certain cryptocurrencies. So I wanted to do a late daytime live stream and I missed that. I got to do some produced videos on this channel. I like those because they behave differently in the algorithm. So it's a different show basically. I come on, and I talk about what I got and stuff like that. But it's encapsulated or it's edited down into a pre-production type of video. But these are the best, no doubt about it. When you're interacting with a live audience, and I got 30 likes, thanks guys. It really is awesome to see that. So yeah, Dogecoin is doing its thing. We were here a couple days ago. Somebody asked me while we were in here in the live stream, do I think Dogecoin is going to go to 19 cents again or to teens? I said absolutely. Do I think that now? Absolutely. Because it's kind of common sense that Bitcoin and Dogecoin are going to move up and go down, and other cryptocurrencies, obviously, right? But how severe will... See, some people want that big opportunity. So there might be a bear out there, right, lurking, and they are on StockTwits, and they're just bashing Dogecoin constantly. Some of them, they have an agenda, the real ones, and that is to get Dogecoin cheaper, to get you to sell your coin so they can buy. Some people out there are doing that. Yeah, absolutely. So how low, where's the floor with Dogecoin? Where's the floor? I would say is the lowest is going to be 15 cents at some point, but that I don't know when that could happen because it depends what Bitcoin's going to do. Mary extraordinaire indeed, Maddie, thank you. Hey, that's different. I usually get a hot dog with the mustard in it, man. I appreciate that. Thank you. It's your boy Space Dogs coming at you live from New York. Yup. And yeah, I got 17 people in here. Some new people just came in. Come on, give me a thumbs up. I see that in the analytics. I don't know what you're seeing, but I'm seeing that. I should flash like some of my portfolio. People probably would be more likely to come here. It works like that, doesn't it? If they see how much you have and how much you have made in your stocks gains, and then they stick around. Oh, this guy's made money, so let me follow him or let me stick with him. Why does it work like that? It works like that. Yeah, Maddie, it's welcome back. I haven't seen you in a while. I did see your message though. You left me a message like a month ago on a video. I believe it was you. Yeah. So guys, I'm feeling right now like Dogecoin is at a, it's just going sideways for a little bit here. So the excitement is not really there yet. Again, it will happen again. I have to talk about that. We are going to the moon, literally. Dogecoin is going to outer space. I believe there's a lot of people, my personal opinion, at 20 cents that are out there that are missing a major opportunity by not getting into Dogecoin. Just my personal opinion. I believe there's going to be more FOMO, like when Elon Musk drove it up and with all that was going on with Mark Cuban and everything. I believe those opportunities are down the line. I believe 2022, there's going to be some explosions with cryptocurrency. That's just my personal belief. But we have to get through this time right now where there's a lot of fun out there. There's a lot of uncertainty. There's massive doubt. And cryptocurrency is going to work itself out. And I'm a believer in all this. That's why I'm invested. And I'm staying invested. I'm not being talked out of my positions by anybody. I'm not getting afraid when I see things like this. And I believe I'm very bullish. I believe that there's going to be a lot of opportunity. So the China cryptocurrency transactions ban, they declared cryptocurrency transactions illegal, promising harsh penalties. Financial institutions, I just want to talk about that because that could be driving this back a little for the meantime. Not for the future, for right now. And non-bank payment institutions cannot offer services two activities and operations related to virtual currencies. The People's Bank of China said on its website, they announced this. But I think, like I said, that this is going to become more of an attraction, probably, as if Bitcoin takes, when it takes another dip, because I know it's going to deeper than 42,000 per coin. So eventually it's going to go down and people are going to go back up, and that's what's going to happen. It's going to be massive people very pissed off that they didn't see this. Matt Extraordinaire says, couldn't find the dog. Left you one on the live stream in Harlem. That's right, you helped pay for my pizza and my Coke that night. I remember that, Maddie. Thank you very much. I talked about that. I went out and I went to the place. It was crazy. I went to a dollar pizza and I got Coke. I got dollar pizza in New York like only New York does. I'm with you, but I start to wonder when you disappear. What do you mean when I disappear? What do you you mean you don't hear my voice talking about that I'm holding crypto and stuff like that, and I'm ghosted for a little bit? Well, I disappeared off this channel, like I said, because I was locked out of the channel. I was doing like at least 2 live streams per week, at least, right? At the minimum. So I got locked out of my channel because YouTube's algorithm. Max L, yo, it's your boy Space Donks. What's going on, Max L? I'm glad to see some people are getting the notification here. I'm glad to see that. I'm your muse. That's what's up, baby. So, yeah. So, hey, if you're getting in here for the first time, or you missed out on what we're talking about, we're just basically Friday night, chilling back, talking about where cryptocurrency could be. China banning it. Are they going to do a total ban, or will it be like a ban and then they're going to accept it anyway in the long term? I think either way, it doesn't matter, because I think it's going to go back up. It's going to all do well. I was playing a game. All good. What game were you playing? GTA 5 here. I got to chill back and get some GTA 5 going. It's been a while. So, guys, for real though, I think that overall there's so many opportunities out there. I think that we're going to see Bitcoin break through again. It's just a matter of time. And there's a lot of people that they're not even aware of Ethereum. Like, they're thinking Bitcoin and Dogecoin. But I think this is a big setup and a huge opportunity for the future. I think the Fibonacci support is looking decent from what I understand. Key moving averages, you can look at them. You can really see what Bitcoin's been doing. Like I said, the 50-day moving average. It's looking pretty good, considering. If you look at Bitcoin where it was, especially Dogecoin, right? You know where it was. What's up, Doge Democracy, long-time listener. Hey, Stonks, what's going on, baby? I'm glad someone's a long-time listener. A few of you, I see the most loyal people coming in here when low live stream levels like tonight, right? Very low live stream levels, but that's fine. I'd rather have it like that. Look, if I could delete like 9,000 subscribers right now that don't come here, I would do it. I would delete them. I don't have a button that does that. I'd rather not have a lot of subscribers on this channel. Real talk. I said that even when it was going up, and I even stopped saying subscribe. I don't really give a damn anymore, but I like the likes. I'm not in this for that. I'm having a good time here, chilling back with fellow investors and talking about what's going on. It's all good. I love the community that's here now, and that's all I need, really. Having a really good time. So, yeah. Dogecoin is 20 cents, guys. But realistically, if you think about 20 cents, are you kidding me? Dogecoin with such a name brand recognition is only 20 cents. 20 cents. I just say that to myself, like I was saying it to myself all week. I literally would think about it. I'm like, oh my goodness, Dogecoin's only 20 stinking cents. It's crazy. Diablo 2 Resurrected. I gotta check that out. I haven't played it. I got some apps I downloaded on my iPhone. I got some zombie at. Probably not going to be interested. Most people won't be interested in it. But if you want to know what it is, I can tell you. Because we're talking about that. It helps me think about which stonk I'm going to do. Into the Dead 2. And it helps me, when I have it in my hand, I'm just, it relaxes me when I'm playing. So yeah, it's free. I got it in the App Store for Apple. It's really cheap. It's free. You get no better than that. It's free. Couple pop-ups. I don't buy anything. and you're just going along. It's a shooter going after zombies. Anyway, what's up, everybody? Yo, guys, Dogecoin, I'm going to say it one more time because these days will be celebrated in the future. Like looking back at this channel. Dogecoin's only 12 cents. I once said that at 5 cents. I once said that at 4 cents. It's only 20 cents. I bought more this week. I plan on buying more Dogecoin. I'm going to go in on a buying frenzy once again. And it's going to be fun when it goes back up. It's going to be fun to talk about it and how much money and profit that it's up. It's going to be great. Max L says, I swinged my Ethereum and ADA back to Dogecoin because I think Dogecoin gonna go soon. I am back to 10K Doge. Max L, no doubt about it. Yup, and you got a big day coming up in the near future, the wedding, right? Hello, when are we going up? Chance Holden. Well, you know what, Chance? I really think when you talk up, right? We're gonna go to 21 cents like within 24 hours, probably. So what do you mean? You mean like up, right? Like over 30 cents? I think, we got to just be patient. I think we got to keep looking at the news. Let's look at the latest, absolutely. When you said, when are we going back up, I think you're talking about Dogecoin, right? Elon Musk did tweet the other day, didn't put any, really, it didn't give it any sort of a bump, right? Well, Elon Musk says Dogecoin fees have to become more viable form of payment. And we've been saying that after AMC suggests it might accept the token for movie tickets. Now your boy here, if you don't know, made the call to AMC, literally on the air here. I made a call to AMC asking for management back early July, okay? So I was already thinking like this before. This was already in my mind before Elon Musk tweeted about it, before other people started talking about it. I was already doing this. I was making the call. I should run the call. If you guys want to hear the AMC call from July, let me know. If I get more than 3 people that request it in this live stream, I'll do it. But you got to keep in mind, it was from July, guys, like mid to early July. And we did it on this channel here first, guys. So now it's becoming a possibility, and I think it's going to help Dogecoin become having longevity, because I think it's going to happen. I think this is going to be happening. Like, that's my belief, and that's my theory and my predictions, that Dogecoin is going to be accepted at like AMC, at streaming services. Like I always talk about, Netflix is huge. I went to Europe, people were watching Netflix in their houses. No joke, in Europe, okay? They got their own Netflix account. I even got a screenshot. You guys want to call me out on this? Where's my screenshot? If you don't believe me, just in case, because I know a lot of people like to get on a mic and they just talk, make stuff up. If you want me to share that with you, I can share that with you. You want it? Samantha wants to hear the call. Hold on, I'm lagging here. I might have to refresh. Hold on. Okay, let's have a fun show here. Let's have fun. It's Friday, guys. It's your boy Space Donks. Samantha always supports the channel. She gives me super chats, so I feel more like I gotta play it because she wants to hear it, to be real. Because she's definitely contributed to the channel, and she wants to hear this. I'm gonna play it. But before I do that, I took some screenshots, guys. Just because, I was in, maybe I don't have it right now. Maybe for the less live stream. I was in Poland. I went to a couple European countries, and that's not going to prove anything. If I show you a Poland screenshot of what's trending on Netflix, that's not going to prove anything. Anyway, take my advice, guys. Take my word for it. People in Europe had streaming services such as Netflix, which is great. Okay, Samantha, we're going to get that up. Guys, just in case you don't know, I placed a call to AMC back in early to mid-July. I don't remember exactly when. I'd have to go back to the video. So I did make the call, and this is before a major influencer tweeted out that AMC should be doing something, or tweeted out to the president or something like that. I was already on this, just so you know. Elon Musk, he made the call. He's mentioning Dogecoin, AMC. So let me just run this. I'm going to run this. I'm going to have to just mute the music here and get this in. I'm curious too, because it's been a while since I heard this. So check this out, guys. Right now, what I'm going to attempt to do is call AMC. I have some suggestions for AMCs. What the AMC should do for their stockholders. Get ready, guys. I need to talk to a manager.
Quick access to Showtime information. If you would like to speak to a theater associate, please press 0.
This is going on live right now. Unplanned, unrehearsed, impromptu stream.
AMC Roosevelt Field.
Hey, how's it going? Can I speak to a manager, please?
You're speaking with.
Hi, my name is Space. Hi, I'm an investor in AMC. Love AMC. I just got some suggestions that I think would really help the stock. Like, seriously. I know you're offering free popcorn to AMC investors, right?
Yes.
If you can remember this, I don't know if you have a pen. It's really simple. This is a serious call. I really think that once a week, every AMC investor could pull out their wallet when they get to the movie theater. If they go once a week, they can get a free popcorn, a large beverage. That would help immensely. Okay? Good idea. And also for AMC investors, this is really good because I believe that if you could accept cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and specifically Dogecoin would really be a good idea to implement that.
So you're contacting the theater level?
Yeah.
So at the theater level, we have no way to do the suggestions. I can give you the website that we do have for investors to put in suggestions.
I already did that. I feel like they're not listening to me when I do that. I didn't hear anything back, just like a confirmation robotic response, you know? So I figure if I talk to someone like yourself, it would be a good idea as a manager, even though they don't take it from you guys, because I know some people that work in retail and management. I think it would be a really good idea if you could somehow do that, like up to your superiors. It would be really good for you. This is a really good idea, you know, that someone's calling you and contacting you as an AMC investor, really believe in the company, want to see it thrive, want to see it survive, want to see it go on. It'll be awesome, you know? So if you could somehow do that. I'll go again to the website though. I will do that.
Okay, so I wrote down your information. Okay, so I'm going to pass this on to my general manager so that he can let his boss know and so on and so forth.
Okay, I really appreciate that.
So I'll let him know when he comes in later today.
That's awesome. Okay, great, because a lot of people support AMC. Thank you very much. Have a great day. I really appreciate you taking that information for me.
You too.
Thank you. Bye. What's up, guys? It's your boy Space Dogs live. Yes, I placed that call. That was back in early or to mid-July where I did that call. And yeah, I just want to, let you guys know what I was up to, what I was doing. And yeah, I believe that this should happen. And now, of course, fast forward, fall 2021, or just about, right? It's fall. Yeah, yesterday was the first day of fall, right? Elon Musk says Dogecoin fees have to fall. You get the point. So yeah, totally. This can be worked out, and I believe this will all get sorted out. AJ, yo, what's up? Thank you. I'm seeing you. Doge Democracy says, you are a legend. Doge, I hope. Thank you. Look in the mirror, baby. You know? I appreciate that, though, that you're giving love like that. Thank you. I don't take myself too seriously. I've been told some things. When people, I really don't take myself too seriously. I just having a really good time. And yo, what's up? Letitia Parker in the building. I remember you. Hey, Stonks. Been a while. Good to see you. Likewise. Welcome back to the channel. So guys, yeah, I'm trying to make things happen. I'm close to getting to the point where I might be appearing on camera. I'm curious that when I do on this channel. See, the whole thing is, guys, I'm a YouTuber. I've been a YouTuber for a while. I've been, recognized in public before, not only from YouTube, from other things, but I don't care about fame and stuff like that. Fame is 15 minutes. Fame is corrosive. Fame is not what I'm here for, right? But I think it'll be more interactive by the way, fame doesn't last for the most part unless you're a 1 in a million and you become a super movie star like Tom Cruise or something. That's not important to me. Stuff like that's not important to me. What's important? Having a good time, family and friends, all right? That's important to me. Seeing people do good, seeing my friends rock it, seeing artists crush it. That stuff's fun, Yeah, it really is. Unfortunately, in that type of business, if you're in it, work begets more work. But yeah, just having a good time, and that's why I started this channel, because I wanted to have a good time and not associate it with anything else and use any other form of another platform to try to give this channel a boost. I wanted to organically grow this channel and get it to where it is on its own without any of that other nonsense be coming in. Yeah, right. I'm no movie star. That's crazy. Samantha Mitchell, what's up with a super duper chat? I really appreciate that. Still holding AMC and Dogecoin space dongs for president. Wow, that's very kind of you, Samantha. You got to get a super duper chat horn. Boom! That's for Samantha Mitchell in the building from Louisiana. There's a party in here still. So Samantha, seriously, how could I not play what you wanted me to play? So, and it's good. I'm glad you actually wanted to hear that again. How could I not? You are definitely a contributor, beneficiary to the channel. I have beneficiaries here on this channel. Absolutely. It is my pleasure. So guys, it sounds crazy, but my investing philosophy has always been like straight up common sense, what the world looks like, gut feeling, and invest what I like, and it usually works out. Invest in what I like. What I use in real world, I like Starbucks. I'm gonna fix the ticker. And basically Warren Buffett in his book, he mentioned that. I believe it was one of his books where he says, like, if you like Adidas and you're buying Adidas all the time, I'm just saying, he didn't say Adidas exactly, but thank you for the 40th like, MNG, thank you. But he says, go out and invest in it. You got a piece of a company that you like. You get a piece of a crypto, you own a piece that you like, or a whole cryptocurrency coin in what you like. I happen to dig Dogecoin from day one. That was my first ever coin that I bought. But that being said, my wife actually invested in Bitcoin. So it was actually her that in her portfolio where she triggered it. So she got Bitcoin, but so we're married, so you could say I owned it too. But my Dogecoin was my first, where I clicked, where I invested, where I bought, and I was trying to get it in 2018, and unfortunately I couldn't. Doge ticker, it's 7:53 p.m. What's up, guys? I'm here enjoying a great evening, beautiful weather here in New York. It's early fall, it just started, and yeah, here we go. That would be awesome. It would be pretty dope, wouldn't it, if during this live stream, if this went up, if Dogecoin started to really rise out of nowhere and really blow up. And one time that happened, it was a glitch in Robinhood, and literally people started falling into the room, like a lot of people. It was crazy how Dogecoin started going up, and it influenced people. People were looking for it on YouTube, and they were coming into the room. That was crazy. Like new people, it was weird. I guess it's definitely a big thing once something starts trending like that. But where is everybody now? Why aren't people getting it now when it's only 20 cents? Because a lot of these people, they have their eye on it, but they don't believe in it yet. So they're watching Bitcoin. When Bitcoin starts to go up again and the bears start to throw up, it's going to happen. You're going to see Dogecoin literally explode back up. We're going to ascend. We're going to go back up. I believe this is all going to happen. It's come to fruition for sure. And I would be really shocked if this doesn't happen. I would be really shocked. So usually when I've talked about things like this, it has happened. What hasn't happened is Dogecoin going to $1 plus. Not yet, anyway. So hopefully that will happen in 2022. I hope so. I would expect it to, because I think Elon Musk, like I said, I think he's going to announce it. He's working on it. I think that he's definitely very involved in it. It's personal involvement at this point. Like, he really wants to see it do well. He already admitted he's working with the devs with Dogecoin. It's going to outer space. It's wrapped up with SpaceX. I mean, what great branding. Guys, the other day SpaceX set a record, right? We had humans go up into outer space. Think about it. It was on all the news networks here in the US. I imagine all around the world. It was being broadcast. Dogecoin, Doge Mission 1 is going to outer space. It's going to be on the news. People are going to be looking at Dogecoin when that happens. We're going to be let's say we just got it today at 20 cents. We're going to be fall 2021 investors, whereas there's going to be first quarter in 2022 people watching, and FOMO's going to set in, and there's going to be new investors in 2022. They're going to be the 2022 investors. So I believe it's all going to go up. I think it's pretty damn cheap. I'm waiting for that growth like we saw back in the beginning of 2021. Samantha, me too. And I think it's going to happen again. I really do. Some people buy only when it hit $1. That is true. Some people, yeah. Some people, it's going to explode. There's going to be an explosion in the future. I got to watch when I say that word. It's not going to be frozen. It's going to be amazing. And it's the same thing with Bitcoin. People are going to see Bitcoin one day, I hope, when it first hits 70,000, they're going to grab it, and so on and so forth. You know, it's going to be a battle. There's going to be 70,000, and there's going to be 60,000 again, right? Because if you look at the charts on these things, you will see that there's, even with Bitcoin, the overall lifetime chart of it, you will see giant explosions, and then it pulled back. For instance, in December 8th, 2015, it launched up in November from 5,000, that is Bitcoin, to 19,000. That's a huge difference. It's over 3 million in the gains. So from, again, to reiterate here, it's October 6th, Bitcoin was only in the 4,000 mark, right? And then it went from November to 5,000. It shot up to 19,000 on December 15, 2017, and it pulled all the way back February back to 8,000, and it started going down more to 7,000 and 6,000 March 30th, 2018. So this is a timing thing. It's going to take time, and I believe the people that will get rewarded are the ones that are going to be holding with diamond hands, right? And we all know where Bitcoin is at today. 2 years is nothing. It's nothing in the world of cryptocurrency. It goes pretty quick, 2 years. So who knows where we will be at with Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum and your other favorite cryptocurrencies in 2023, 24. You know, we're going to find out. I am betting that we're going to be in a pretty good position, right? We're going to get through, we already been through some major pullbacks, and it's just, we'll see what happens. Samantha says, buy those dips, and HODL. Samantha seems to have her Jedi patience under control. Right, Samantha? Jedi warrior right here with diamond hands and golden arms holding on, and you feeling confident, right, where you're at. That takes some time to get to that point where an investor is patient. You know, it's very emotional. People get caught up with emotions. It's hard not to get emotional. I really get really happy when things jump up. I get pumped up. So yeah, guys, I got 41 likes. The live stream is doing its thing here. I can't believe, how long have I been live streaming for now? Wow, like an hour almost. That's pretty long. So yeah, it's your boy Space Donks coming at you live, and yep, we're headed into the weekend. I don't know where we will be in 3 months from now, but like I said, a lot of people are prognosticating that Bitcoin is going to be over 100,000. I know it would sound great if I would pump people and say that. I think that's going to happen. I don't think Bitcoin is going to be, and I could be wrong. Of course, that's a great thing about crypto. I don't think 100,000 comes in 2021. I don't think that's going to happen, which creates more opportunity, especially if it goes down a little more, right? And because it's going to all go back up. So I'm just hoping for this. Yes, I'm pumped up. And I'm looking for Dogecoin. I'm hoping Dogecoin goes back to a couple, like, hopefully 17 cents at least, so I can grab more. Selfishly, I want to grab more because in my mind, I know it's going to be over $1 one day. So I don't mind getting new and more positions and just keep riding with Dogecoin. Absolutely. Alan Fernandez says, at Samantha Mitchell, what's up, homie? So guys, yeah, I want to thank my super chatters. Just one more time, I'm glad to see CRX Joe back in the building. Alan Chi-Town, thank you. Nathan Sayers, thank you very much. Maddie Extraordinaire indeed, with much, hopefully, Dogecoin transaction speed, giving me a hamburger. He's feeding the brother. Samantha Mitchell with a super duper chat too. Thank you so much. Generous, and I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you for the super duper chats, and that's for all you guys helping out with the channel. Appreciate that love right there. Now, I've been telling you guys I wanted to do it. If you're interested, I'm going to make a pre-production video or pre-produced video, a video that's not a live stream about a stonk, probably Starbucks or something, maybe something else on top of that. And I have to get around to doing that. And hopefully I'll get that out before Tuesday. Maybe before. We'll see. I like to say it live, so I think, oh my God, they're going to hold me to it. I said I'm going to make a video, and I didn't do it yet. So let me get around to doing that actual video that's not a live stream. So, I mean, they're quite easy, honestly. These videos, when you make them, not the live streams, I'm talking about the pre-produced videos, compared to what I normally do and other work I've done, very easy. It's not that time consuming at all to talk about stonks, you know, show what you're talking about. It's a different type of content, and it's really easy to produce. Getting on live, that's another story. It's more, it takes a lot of energy, which I have a lot of. It takes a lot more. You got to be on point. You got to be with it. And it's not, you know, if you got to constantly editorialize yourself, and you got to be on top of stuff. But and you have a good time. It's like having a bunch of friends in here, but you definitely have to watch what you say on live stream sometimes because of the algorithm and stuff like that. You know, you could say the wrong thing, and you know, you might use slang, and it might trigger the algorithm to cause some type of problem. So like I said earlier, we haven't had that problem, which is pretty dope. So what are you guys doing this weekend? Are you guys going to be watching your Bitcoin constantly? Are you going to be watching your Dogecoin wallet? Are you going to be looking at your Dogecoin? Are you looking forward to Robinhood, Dogecoin, wallets? Wallets overall. The wallets on Robinhood that are coming out, do you think it's going to have a huge impact on cryptocurrency? Are we going to see a pump? Because I think we are going to see some sort of reaction. I'm hoping. I think that once the wallets, they're giving them out slowly, according to what they're saying, 2022. I am on a list. And by the way, guys, I was 85,000 on my desktop on that list, and I hit join again on my phone, and it came up 100,000 on the list. So what is it, Robinhood? I have two different, one list told me 85,000, I'm on a waiting list. The 85,000 to change, and now I'm 100,000, it says, on my phone. I don't know, that's weird. On my desktop, it told me 85,000 plus. Sorry. Yeah, I heard about that. Did you guys know Elon Musk broke up? That's, well, you know, breakups happen. Unfortunately, maybe that will light another fire under Elon Musk for the positive. Maybe he'll get on Dogecoin. He'll have more time. Maybe he'll have more time as he thinks about his next relationship. And I hope it works out. I don't want to see negative stuff. But if there's a positive in this, the man must be so busy. Maybe instead of those dates he's been having or whatever he does with his significant other, maybe he'll have more time to invest in working on Dogecoin and accepting Tesla. Dogecoin for Tesla payments, right? We want to see that. I am watching Dogecoin at the OTC market is hot. That's what's up. Samantha Mitchell weighing in. Let's see what else is going on. Yeah, Dogecoin has so much potential. It has so much potential. First of all, because Dogecoin was so close to that dollar and hasn't went to $1 yet. And there's people out there, like I've said a million times, she's very successful, Jenny Ta, big in finance. She believes a $1 trillion evaluation for Dogecoin is possible one day. But, you know, that's speculation. You know, when you hear all these people talking, that the word is on the street, Dogecoin, even though right now Bitcoin is dragging everything down, Dogecoin is going to do its thing, guys. Dogecoin's going to do its thing. I want to see Bitcoin over $1 million one day. That would be amazing. And we'll see with Dogecoin. Because I was thinking, hey, I was like, Dogecoin could be $10. I could easily see that. But let's get to $1 first. We're so close. Laying low this weekend, enjoying this weather in the East Coast Pro, Alan says. No doubt about it. Appreciate that feedback there. I was thinking the same. Max L, I definitely hit you back up. I can confirm. I can't confirm nor deny Max L. So, yeah, so anyway, so guys, I think I don't want to take off. See, hold on, let me just get a drink real quick. Maybe I should play a Dogecoin trailer real quick and go get a drink. I got some Mars water here, but I'm talking about a drink. Okay, guys, let me tell you something. I got some Kool-Aid, right? I like Kool-Aid, all right? I like Kool-Aid fruit punch. I got a packet. It's powdery. If you're not from the U.S., I had a guy from the U.K. wanted me to send him Kool-Aid because he had a taste of it. He said, can you send me Kool-Aid? I don't know if they sell it there yet, but at the time he asked me that. I never forgot it. He wanted me to send the Kool-Aid to the U.K. But anyway, because, you know, I was in Eastern Europe a couple years ago and they didn't have Doritos. Yo, guys, I can confirm now, since 2019, Doritos have landed in Europe. They're selling Doritos. And some of the stuff they sell is different from the US. Now, these are brands. Now, I could tie this up with stonks, okay? And crypto. Because we should be using crypto to buy our chips, right? But, yeah, totally. You can look at the stocks, Nabisco and stuff like this. See what is selling overseas. Yup. It's crazy. Mars water. I love fruit punch, Kool-Aid. I gotta chill with it, though. It's very sugary. I like the sweet one, you know? So yeah, I'm gonna be live streaming hopefully tomorrow, if not the next day. So we'll see. You know, sometimes things come up in life where you can't do it. So guys, I'm gonna do some testing too. I want to see this algorithm with crypto and with stonks. It always interests me, the algorithm with this stuff, how it works. It's so different, guys. It's crazy. I don't know if you know what cost per milli is, but cost per milli is basically like 1,000 per, I don't think I could say it, but the cost per milli on the, even though I don't get a lot of views or whatever, so it really doesn't affect me, but the cost per milli on CPM, basically CPM on a video for finance, on some of it is so freaking high, it's ridiculous. You know, it was funny because I got my highest CPM I ever looked at in my life, more than anybody I ever known personally, was on a video, and I had like 200 views, so it really didn't make much money at all. I'm talking about candy bar money, but the CPM was so high, it was ridiculous. Funny stuff, just wanted to share that. Yeah, so guys, it's your boy Space Donks. I have a good time doing this live stream, always fun. I haven't put the links in stock twits like I used to. I gotta start doing that again. I'll do a live stream and I'll put a link in stock twits because there's definitely some awesome people from the stock twit community that have joined this channel. They have got in and they have subscribed, which is good to know. It works. So yeah. So here we are. So basically right now things are not moving like a lot. There's not a lot of volatility as far as the few hours here on Bitcoin and Dogecoin. Is not moving like super rapidly like we're all used to with crypto. So we're gonna just ease into this. See where we're going, see where we end up. But I think things are gonna start moving quicker again, and I think that eventually we're all gonna go back up. We just gotta be very patient in that. So with that, guys, I just want to thank all my super chatters. I think I'm gonna get out of here. So I gotta play GTA 5 before I make my ride to pick somebody up at 10:30 p.m. So, CRX Joe, all my mods, Nathan Sayers, you're out there. Hope you have a great weekend. Maddie, extraordinaire indeed. Samantha Mitchell, thank you so much for all the super chats. I really appreciate it. Alan Chi-Town, I can't forget about you. So, what else I want to say? Thank you, Alan Fernandez, and mods, you've been spectacular. Thank you for modding the rooms. Thank you for always showing up. A lot of you guys have stuck with the channel. And thank you, Letitia Parker, AJ, everybody, shout outs who have not forgotten about this channel. I know a lot of people sold their Dogecoin. I used to see regulars in here that own Dogecoin and they just took off because a lot of them sold. But maybe they'll come back. Maybe they will come back. So, guys, here we are, 21, Dogecoin. See this? Looks like we're slowly going back up here. Let's do this. It's very curious, isn't it? But I'm going to get back to working on, I want to make a new Starbucks video. I've talked about it. Why? Because I believe in Starbucks. I was at Starbucks today. I'm an investor in Starbucks. I appreciate what the employees do in Starbucks. I met the wifey, Mrs. Diamond Hands in Starbucks. Did I ever share that with you? How can I not love Starbucks? Starbucks is awesome. I once had an art endeavor, a great memory in Starbucks with a bunch of artists here in New York. film related stuff. We sat down, we went over stuff, scripts, etc., all that good stuff, and really good memories in Starbucks overall, because they gave a place where even back in the day when we were all broke and starving, they gave a place for us to chill in without even asking us to order anything. And I used to always go to the Starbucks employees, I used to say after 2 hours of being in there, don't worry, we're gonna order more stuff, so you don't think we're just sitting in here taking up tables. They couldn't care less. We're up in New York, in the heart of New York City, and we're chilling in the Starbucks, young, hungry, trying to make things happen in our dreams. And I can confirm some of us have made those dreams come true way after that. A lot of hard work. So guys, I love you all. I really do, because what I do is I love the people. I know personally, I don't know each one of you, but you guys are investors, my fellow investor. I really am like a humanitarian. I love the fact that we could all be in here together. I love the fact that we have this platform to do this, where I could chill, be myself, talk to you guys, and really, I'm hyper, I really am, and it's all love in here, right? So, and I thank you for all the super chats. I thank you guys. I wish you the very best. I hope to see you this weekend. If I do a live stream, make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any. And I'm talking to the regulars. You guys already know, you guys got wrenches. But for those of you that might come onto the video after, and thank you for cleaning up my comment section, whoever's been doing that. Some of you have cleaned spam bots. Even on low viewed videos, they come in those spam bots. Thank you for all the support. Guys, I believe it. I got my fist up right now. I'm like, yeah, I believe we're going to the moon. I believe Dogecoin's going to the moon. I believe Bitcoin's going up way over 50,000. It's going to happen. I believe this. I'm invested in it. I believe in my investments. I'm very positive. I'm bullish. If Dogecoin goes to 16 cents in a week or two, no worries from my end. I believe in it, but I'm not going to be surprised when Dogecoin flies above 30 cents and beyond. I'm not going to be surprised when Elon Musk gets in on Dogecoin and AMC. When I say gets in, I mean Tesla. He puts it on his website, accepts Tesla payment, accepts it, guys, because I believe this is all going to happen. And that's why I am invested in Dogecoin. That's why I was invested. It's a true story in Dogecoin under a penny. If you're just clicking on this video for the first time, it's a repeat. I'm telling you, it's real. You can go back in videos. I got into Dogecoin under a penny because I believed the damn thing was going to take off. I was like, yo, this is going to 10 cents plus and beyond. And $1, I see this all happening, and I'm going to be right here talking about it with y'all in the future. I know it. It's going to be great. All love, guys. Have an amazing weekend. Thank you to all the super chats. Thank you for all the super chatters. Thank you for helping the channel out. Thank you, Chance Holden, everybody else. Doge Democracy, you're out there. And everybody else, Max L, I appreciate it. Samantha, Alan Shytown, Nathan Sayers, and your significant other. Shout out to you. Alan Shytown, CRX Joe, welcome back. I hope you're chilling and having a great weekend and staying safe. Guys, I'm going to be back with another live stream at Extraordinary D. Thank you for the super chat. You guys know I'm wrapping this up. I'm really pumped up, though. I'm happy about this. I'm going to go try to get a little game time in there. I'm going to turn on Netflix for a hot minute and finish something that's right at the end. I hope I can get it all in. I got about 90, a little less than 90 minutes to do all this. So, guys, I'm going to take off for that. I'm going to regenerate, juvenate, and be back, and I appreciate you all. So, guys, it's your boy Space Donks. Remember, guys, to the moon, to Mars, and to the stars, baby. If you're interested, look out for my case and my theory on Starbucks and what I've done in the past. It's coming. I'm making a Starbucks video while I'm drinking Starbucks coffee. It's going to be awesome. I believe it. Whether it gets 1 view or 2,000 views, I don't care. I'm doing it because I believe in it. I love it, and I've made money with it. All right, guys, I am out. It's your boy Space Donks. Peace, everyone, and thank you for your support. Have a great weekend.